I'm back again with this amazing video. I hope you're doing good in quarantine. Not everyone is doing good. I pray for all the people out there. Let's start this video. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you 4 different sites on which you can get amazing free courses which are worth $1,000, but due to COVID-19 crisis they are free. They are free for whatever time this COVID thing goes on. And let's see. The first one we have here on our list. Oh, I'm sorry for that distraction. The first one on our list is Future Learn. This site is amazing for the courses for like personal grooming and writing skills and all other things in business and management. This has IT and computer science courses too, but the the main the main purpose of this site is to is to groom the trainees through the courses, and they have amazing partners like Durham University, UNSW, and Sheffield University, and all others. And take a look at this view courses, and they are all free. Nothing. They are not taking a single penny for this. In everyday life and all these stuffs. Grand challenging the food for thought, how to succeed at writing application. This one is what I have enrolled in. So let's take, this is the site. Yeah, okay, I'll show you that quickly. Yeah, look at this. Go to course started yesterday. I started this course yesterday and I'm taking it, and it's amazing. This course is powered by Sheffield University. So make sure you look at its site and find the best course for you. I hope you will find. Okay guys, so this next site we have Cisco Networking Academy, NetAcad, and this site is providing free courses too. So if you want to take some networking, security, and OS programming courses and things like this, you can take this site in consideration. This site is providing amazing networking courses, core programming courses, and some amazing courses to enhance your programming skills. Look at this. These all courses are free of cost. You can just get it, enroll it. I'm very excited about this. And the courses I've enrolled in this one, of course I want to take the benefit of this. Why wouldn't I? So what in the course I have enrolled in is partnered by PCAP, Programming Essentials in Python. This course is amazing. I've taken this and I'm almost halfway through it, and this course is just amazing. It's actually the text-based course. It's not a video course, but you'll find it very effective. And let's get to the other site. And the next site is called as bitdegree.com, and this site, oh my god, this site is providing very powerful and advanced courses. Like some other websites are providing free courses too, but these four sites are providing very advanced courses for free. Yeah, so what you have to do is you have to go to the down here, right here you will see a free during COVID-19 tab, and you just click on it, and all the free courses will list out. Yeah, look at this. Just look at this. Amazing. Look at this, $997 courses, man. These are good, man. These are amazing courses which you can take for free. They will not take a single penny for it. Look at this. Look at this. WordPress course with big rating. Like there are some courses with a little bit low rating too, but these courses are just amazing. Some are with very high rating too, 4, 3.9, 3.8. This is a good rating if you take it in consideration. YouTube ads, crash course, every course in this website. It's amazing. This is just amazing. Okay, so the next site we are going to go is academy.moz.com, and you may have heard of a tool named as Moz, an SEO tool, and these guys are also providing free courses on SEO. So if you want to become a SEO expert or something like this, these all courses are free. These $199, $159, these are just placeholders. They're not like they're not the price. These are the price before COVID-19, of course, but now they're free. And how to get into this is a little bit confusing, but I will tell you in this. What you have to do is you have to click on your desired course, like this one in starter pack series. I'll take this one and load. So we have just signed up, and here this course is a 3-in-1 pack actually, and now I'm going to show you what to do. You have to click on the purchase button, and it will take you to the sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so here it is stating that total of $149, but what you have to do is you have to type the promotion code "we got this," okay, and apply, and boom, look at this, minus $149 and total of 000, and just purchase. And in this way you can get the most amazing SEO courses on the web for free, literally for free. And look at this, all of them are free of course. Okay guys, I hope you have of course you have enjoyed this video, right? I hope you liked it. If you liked the video, please subscribe and share this video to your friends so that they can benefit from these offers too. Thank you.